Welcome back to the season premiere of Wray and Nephew Contender, brought to you in association with Ting and Fly Jamaica Airways. Now, as you know from last season, we wanted to get you more familiar with the boxers. So we started shooting features to give you a little more insight into their personalities, their lives, and their boxing. Tonight we start with our first Canadian boxer. He recently turned professional, but he is so far undefeated in his career, and him intend to stay that way there. He looks quite intimidating, so if that is any indication of his ability, then we are in for a great night. Let's meet Winston, the Punisher, Mathews.
All right, Winston, the Punisher, Mathews. Friends call me Just Win. Born in Rexdale, Ontario, just outside of Toronto. For the most part, when I'm not training, I'm here in the barbershop. We're here at Upper Line Hair and Beauty. So yeah, I'm a barber by day, boxer the rest of the time. Well, I started boxing because I used to get in a lot of trouble back in the day. I used to get a lot of street fights, and basically I just hit rock bottom and I done had enough of where I was going in life. Started working out, started trying to live a more healthy lifestyle. I quit drinking. So I just went to the gym, started sparring, got into it, and I fell in love with it right away. My head coach's name is Jackie Armour. Rob Rutherford's another coach there. My another corner man is Andrew Armour. As far as I know, it's the best coaching around. Like, for me, it works.
It's crazy because I've never experienced anybody to come in the gym that's never been in a boxing ring before to be doing what he's doing. This is like fast motion for us. Like, it was like 2 years ago he was fighting amateur, just teaching him, and now he's a pro into his third fight and now going into this big tournament. I can't remember exactly out of the 11 fights, but I think he stopped 6 guys and he was punishing them. And there was the one fight where he knocked the guy's shoulder right out of his joint. He just hit him with a nice straight left hand, popped the guy's shoulder out. I was impressed that the guy actually came back and the doctor snapped it back in, but like seconds later he stopped him. So he causes punishment, right?
I prefer anybody that might be underestimating me to do so. If they think I'm soft, go ahead. I ain't from the Gaza, but I come from the gutter. I don't care who you are, I don't care what your name is, or where you're from, your mom's name, your dad's name. None of that gonna matter when it comes fight time. I'm ready. I want this money, I want the glory, I want it all.
Well, it would seem Mr. Winston no afraid of nothing or nobody. In the locker rooms right now is Patrick Anderson standing by with one of the men of the moment. So let's hear what's on his mind.
Thank you very much, Crystal. We're in the dressing room of Winston Mathews. It's essentially Canada against Jamaica. Winston, you've been a pro for about 2 years or so. Tell us what you've been doing.
Working hard, that's about it.
You have not yet tasted defeat, 1 win and 2 draw results. Tell us about your last fight, which was about a month ago. A tough one. It ended in a draw.
Yeah, it was a pretty tough fight. I thought I had gotten the better of him, but they called it a draw. Politics of boxing, but it's over with now. I'm ready to take this W tonight and move forward with my career.
Speaking with your trainer, Jackie Armour, says you do everything. You can box on the outside, you can bang it, you can stay on the inside, you can box. What do you prefer to do? What do you do best?
Fight. I don't know what I do. I just do my thing, right? It's better for the observer to make their decision of how I do it, but I just do my thing and get the job done.
Why do they call you the Punisher?
That's what I do.
You fight and you're the Punisher.
Yeah.
Good luck. Winston Mathews. Quickly, get a quick word with his trainer, Jackie Armour. You say he does everything. Well, what does that mean?
That means he can do whatever the other guy is doing. He can do the opposite to bang him up. If he needs to box, he boxes. If he needs to counter, he counters.
And you've seen the tapes of Sakima Munnings. What are your thoughts?
I think he's a pressure fighter. I think he's got some talent. But I think we got a really good game plan for tonight.
Think Winston is overmatched tonight?
Not at all. I think your guy's overmatched tonight.
We'll see. From the dressing room of the Punisher, Winston Mathews.
Well, Winston wants the money, the glory. Basically, he just wants it all. The Punisher is planning to punish his opponent tonight. But if you know the man standing on the opposite side of the ring, then you know that it is easier said than done. When we return, we'll hear from one of our past champions, Sakima, the Mauler, Mullings. Lots more to look forward to on Wray and Nephew Contender.
It's the Wray and Nephew Contender!